With more Australians working from home than ever before, there's understandably been an increase in working from home injuries. So I'm going to run through what you need to know about making a working from home workers' compensation claim, along with a few examples, to hopefully help you determine whether you have a valid claim and what you might be entitled to. According to the Australian HR Institute, 58% of the Australian workforce work at least 1 day a week from home. And over the past few years, I've increasingly been asked by people who work where they live, am I still covered if I suffer an injury whilst working from home? The simple answer is yes. As long as you're carrying out your work tasks, your employer owes you a duty of care even when you're working from the comfort of your own home. If you are working from home, there are a number of obligations your employer has to you. Some things your employee should do to meet these obligations include assessing the suitability of your home environment prior to giving the go-ahead for you to work from home, conducting a risk assessment of your home office either in person or via video call, providing clear details on how to report any safety issues to management, providing specific details on how to perform your duties in a safe manner, and providing access to communications platforms to enable you to reach out for necessary support when needed. It's important to realise that workers' compensation is a no-fault scheme, so if you're injured whilst working from home, you'll likely be eligible for compensation. For your claim to be successful, you'll usually need to prove two things. Your injury arose out of the course of your employment, and employment was a substantial contributing factor. To get a clearer understanding of whether you're eligible to make a claim, let's take a look at a few real-life examples. With the rush to send everyone to work from home due to COVID, we had a number of clients complaining of neck strains, shoulder strains, back pain and RSI, all due to poorly set up workstations. In all of these claims, we were able to obtain all the compensation they were entitled to, and in some cases even secure a lump sum payout for work injury damages, as their employer had all failed to conduct appropriate assessments of their workstations, which could have prevented the injuries. Compare that to another client of ours where the employer did nothing wrong. Our client was on a designated lunch break when she fell down the stairs at her own house. She broke her leg and required significant time off work to recover from her surgery. It didn't matter that there was nothing the employer could have done to prevent the injury. We were able to recover all the compensation that she's entitled to because the injury occurred during work hours and work was a substantial contributing factor. Hopefully, this has been helpful to you. But if you're still unsure about working from home compensation claims, or need help with your claim, call Law Partners and have a confidential conversation with one of our specialist workers' compensation lawyers today.